Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. So I'm back out here with the SF260 general aviation plane, and this thing is awesome. I didn't put the wheels on it. I'm going to take off with the hand again, and just an awesome flyer. And I was really anxious to get it out here in some open space. I'm using the same battery. I actually didn't charge that battery, but I do have the other battery charged up in my pocket. I just wanted to see how much I can get out of this battery that I already had in it. And I didn't get a chance to adjust the linkages to get this flying nice in acro mode, and it's not easy to do without a pair of grip pliers or needle nose pliers, and so I wasn't able to squeeze that elevator crimp down to get it to adjust. So we're just going to take off with it the way it was in stock form and see how it flies in some open space. Let's get it. We got life, guys. Great glider, awesome slow flyer. And I'm surprised because these little warbirds and stuff like that usually don't have slow flight capabilities. That's zero throttle there. A little bit of wind, so I guess you could say it's cheating, but it's flying great. Check it, no throttle. Let's try one of these wonky rolls. Oh, couldn't do a roll. Bring it back. Try the roll coming this way. Did it that time. Do another one. Oh, it was looking like it was about to go straight down. Try another one. Oh, it's not letting me. Let's try it again. Okay, there it goes. Just a little brushed motor in here, so not too powerful against this wind here. Zero throttle. That's into the wind. Man, it glid for a long time. Let's go with the wind and see how it does. Zero throttle. It's just an awesome glider, I'm convinced. And I overdid it there. Wow, an osprey up there, y'all see that? Nice. First time I saw one of those out here. Awesome plane right there in the air. Let's get back to what we're doing. Distracted by the osprey. I forgot to mention all this time it does have the pop-off prop system. So the prop popped off somewhere. I gotta find that. It should be somewhere in this area. Hopefully it didn't come off in the air, and that's why I couldn't take off, because I actually tried to give it some throttle when I saw myself coming down, and it didn't do anything. It just went down. And so I'm wondering if that could have been the reason why it just went down instead of taking off again, because the prop flew off mid-flight. But I don't know. Let's take a pause so I can try to find this prop, y'all. Okay, so I found the prop, wasn't far away, so I'm thinking that prop came off on impact and not in mid-flight. Okay, it's back. We got it back on. Let's see. The plane can only really fly slow in all of this wind. That was 0 throttle, but we were actually going with the wind, and I wasn't giving any up elevator. That's why I was coming down like that. Let's try it again. Swing it around, throttle off. Throttle is still off, people. Wow. Awesome glider here. And yank and bank plane. That roll looked a little dangerous, but we got through it. Let's try another one. Yeah, I definitely need to get that elevator together. The elevator adjustment. The range of this plane is awesome because of the boxer transmitter. That's 0 throttle. We're just gliding in with the wind. Man, this is an awesome plane. Let's just see how slow we can fly it around us. Oh, almost stalled on me. And I don't have my I'm not flying it with the stock transmitter, so it's not going to give me a LVC warning as it's supposed to. So I think I better just bring it down before I find myself in a dead stick situation. But given how well this thing is flying, that's probably not going to be a big issue. Look, wait, it looks like the tip of my wing is hanging off. Let me bring it in. Yeah, the tip of my wing isn't looking good. Let me bring it in. I don't want to lose that piece. I probably got to glue it on. Yeah, I busted the tip of my wing. It was hanging. I'm glad I saw it before I flew this thing harder and it flew away somewhere. So I guess we're going to end it right there. With that, I'm going to fix this. Fix my little piece there. I don't want to beat this plane up. This is a beautiful plane. Kind of sorry that happened. That probably happened on that crash over there. Probably got loose, and I don't know. Awesome plane. Minor repair. I'm not too worried about it. It should still look good. I got some red paint to touch it up. The SF260. Awesome find from AliExpress. I'll have a link in the description so you guys can check it out. I think I did see this at a US warehouse on AliExpress as well. I'll have the codes down there. Y'all know the whole nine. Thanks for watching.